Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, my iPhone alarm starts automatically at 8 o'clock in the morning, and when I go to iPhone clock and see if I set this alarm, then I don't have any option of 8 o'clock alarm there. If you find this issue to keep watching this video. In this short video I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, to fix this issue, launch the settings menu on your iOS device. Here you will see general option. You have to click on it and then swipe down and you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Here you will see many options. You have to click on reset all settings, then click on reset all settings to confirm that you want to reset all settings. Guys, the reset all settings on your iPhone will restore any changes made to the settings app by default. This includes display, Wi-Fi, mobile data, APN, VPN input and notification settings. It will not affect any personal data or apps on your iPhone. That's it.